In last class, we learned what is locus of a point and how to find equation of a locus. Those concepts we learned in last class. In this class, we will do few objective bits related to coordinate system that what we learned till now. You observe this question, a circle with center 3, -4. For the circle, the center point is given 3, -4. They are saying that this circle touches x-axis. Then its radius is. Okay. Here they are saying that the circle with center 3, -4 touches the x-axis. Then what is its radius? Okay. You observe here. I consider a circle. You observe I consider a circle. This circle touches x-axis at this point. And center of the circle as they given it as 3, -4. Here I taken its center as 3, -4. In coordinate system you learned if a particular point is x, y. What is the x coordinate definition? X coordinate is the perpendicular distance from point to y axis. This length is 3 units. As the center is 3, -4, this length is 3 units. Okay. And what about y coordinate? Y coordinate is the perpendicular distance from point to x-axis. This length is y coordinate. Actually, by seeing this point 3, -4, you may mistaken by writing -4. We cannot write -4 here because the distance is always positive. What is the y coordinate? Y coordinate is the perpendicular distance from point to x-axis. As this is in fourth quadrant, this point is 3, -4, but this distance is 4 units only. So, you observe this circle. In this circle, what is the radius of this circle? What is the radius of the circle? Radius of the circle. This is the radius of the circle. I hope you are understanding. As this circle touches x-axis and this point is 3, -4, we can easily say that the radius of this circle is 4 units. So here you see 4 options are given. Fourth option is the right option. I hope you understand this. Now we'll move to next question. You see here A is -2, 5. B is 3, 5. P and Q are the points of trisection. P and Q are the points of trisection. I'll explain what is points of trisection. Points of trisection of AB. P, Q are the points of trisection of AB. Then midpoint of PQ is what they are asking. Okay. First thing, here AB 2 points are given. I marked here the point A, point B. What they given? P, Q are the points of trisection. Points of trisection means what? The points which divides AB into 3 equal parts. The points which divides AB into 3 equal parts are known as points of trisection. You see here, P, Q are the points. You observe these 2 points divides this AB into 3 equal parts. Please observe this 1, 2, 3. They divide AB into 3 equal parts. That's why then P, Q are known as points of trisection. Okay. Here what they are saying, P, Q are the points of trisection of AB. Then what they are asking? Then midpoint of PQ. Okay. You observe here, they are asking midpoint of PQ. As this part, 3 are same because P and Q divides AB into 3 equal parts. Please try to understand. We need to find midpoint of PQ. You observe here, midpoint of PQ is same as midpoint of AB. Please try to think of it. I need to find midpoint of PQ. As this part and this part and this part, all 3 parts are equal. Midpoint of PQ is same as midpoint of AB. I hope you are understanding. They are asking to find midpoint of PQ, but they are not given what is P, what is Q. So without knowing P and Q's, we can find midpoint of PQ here. How? Midpoint of PQ is same as midpoint of AB. I hope you understand this. See here. As P and Q are the points of trisection of AB, midpoint of PQ is same as midpoint of AB. You can easily understand this point. Okay, midpoint formula is what? Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. In the theory of coordinate system, we learned this. Okay, so here x1 is -2 plus x2 is 3 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Minus 2 plus 3 is what? That is 1. 1 by 2 comma 5 plus 1 is what? 6. 6 by 2 is what? 3. So what is midpoint of PQ? Midpoint of PQ is 1 by 2 comma 3. If you observe the options, second option is the right option. I hope you understand this. Now we'll move to next question. You see here the 3 points 2 comma minus 4, 4 comma minus 2, 7 comma 1 forms a equilateral triangle, forms a isosceles triangle, lie on a line, form a right angle triangle they given. Actually, I can do this by calculating area of triangle, but I am doing by using distance formula. You need to know how we can do this problem with the distance formula. In previous classes, I explained this by calculating area of triangle. Okay, first thing, here when we say the triangle is equilateral triangle, if all three sides are equal, then we say the triangle is equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangles, in a triangle if two sides are equal, then we say it is isosceles triangle. Collinear means area of triangle found by those 3 points is 0, then we say that the points are collinear, that means they lie on a line. Forms a right angle triangle means this the AB, BC, CA sides must satisfy Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll take this point as A, I'll take this point as B, I'll take this point as C. Now I'll calculate AB. You know how to calculate AB. In the beginning we discussed this, how to calculate AB. Root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. You apply distance formula, you are getting here 2 root 2. Okay, root 8 you are getting. Root 8 can be written as 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Root 4 is 2 root 2. You can understand this. Okay. Similarly, you calculate BC, distance between these 2 points B and C. When you calculate distance between these 2 points, what you are getting? You are getting root 18. 18 can be written as 9 into 2. 9 into 2. Root 9 into 2. That is nothing but 3 root 2. Okay. BC I got 3 root 2. Similarly, I will calculate CA. What I got? I got 5 root 2. You observe, are these 3 are same? No. So first option is wrong option. It is not a equilateral triangle. Any two distances are equal? Any two distances are equal? No. So second option is also wrong option. Is it satisfies Pythagoras theorem? Square of any side is sum of squares of other two sides. You check. You check here. Square, you just square them. 8, what you are getting? 8, 18, 50 you are getting. Sum of any two equal to third one here, you check. No. So obviously what is the right option? Right option is the remaining one. Here 4 options are there. These 3 options are wrong. So obviously what is the right option? The points lies on a line. Here in another way you can say like this also. Sum of any two distances equal to third one. Sum of any two distances after calculating AB, BC, CA, sum of any two distances equal to third one, then we can say that the points are collinear. Here without this point also I can say here first option fails by seeing these 3 distances. First option fails, second option fails, fourth option fails. Directly I can say third option, or else sum of any two distances equal to third one, then we say the points are collinear. That means they lie on a line. Or else you can calculate area of triangle formed with these 3 points. If the answer is 0, then also we say that they lie on a line. I hope you are understanding. Now let's see next problem. The points a comma 0, 0 comma b, 1 comma 1 are collinear if, so they are saying that these points are collinear if, okay, I'll suppose if the points are collinear, what I know? I know area of triangle found by these 3 points is 0. So you see here, area of a triangle found by given points is 0. You know area of a triangle found by 3 vertices formula, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equal to 0. You know this formula, I am just recalling. I just applied that formula to these 3 vertices. I'll take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2, this as x3 y3. You learn how to calculate area of triangle in previous classes also. Just apply those values, these points. In place of x1 y1 you write this, in place of x2 y2 you write this, in place of x3 y3 you write this. So after substituting, what happening here, you 1 by 2 is there now, you take 2 to the right hand side, it will become 0. multiply AB minus A, I written here. Okay, here 0 into anything will become 0. Okay, here 1 into minus B is minus B equal to 0. Now you see, you take minus A to the right hand side and minus B to the right hand side, then A plus B equal to AB you will get. Now you divide this complete equation with AB. A divided by AB, B divided by AB, AB divided by AB. What happened? This equation is there now. You divide this complete equation with AB. Now you see, here AA will get cancelled 1 by B, here BB will get cancelled, 1 by A is remaining, AB is cancelled. What you are getting? 1 by A plus 1 by B equal to 1. So these points will be collinear if 1 by A plus 1 by B equal to 1. See here, the equation of locus of the point, locus related. In last class we discussed the equation of locus of the point, okay, whose distance from x-axis is thrice that of from y-axis. We need to find locus of a point whose distance from x-axis. You see here, I consider that a locus of a point they are saying, I taken that point as x comma y. I am finding locus of this point. What they are saying, the distance from x-axis. The distance from x-axis is the y coordinate. The distance from x-axis is the y coordinate. That means the distance from x-axis is, that means y is, they are trying to say y is thrice that of from y-axis. What is the distance from point to y-axis? Distance from point to y-axis x coordinate. This is in the beginning of coordinate system we discussed all these things, right? What they given here, the distance of this point from x-axis, that means this value is thrice its distance from y-axis. That means they given y equal to 3x. So here that option is not there directly, y equal to 3x. I'll square this on both sides. What you will get? Y square equal to 9x square. So what is the right option? Second option is the right option. Now you see this question number 6. The ends of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are, in a right angle triangle, ends of hypotenuse they given 5, 0 minus 5, 0. Then the locus of third vertex is, okay, which vertex? Locus of third vertex. This third vertex I will take it as x comma y. In last class locus of a point we discussed. While finding locus of a point, in the beginning only we will write p of x comma y is a point on the locus, like that we discussed in previous class, right? Okay, you observe here the ends of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are, okay, here I'll explain this with the help of the diagram. Here what they are saying, the ends of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle, one is 5, 0, another one is minus 5, 0. I taken like this. As they are saying, these are the ends of a hypotenuse. You know that I taken a point in such a way that these 3 points forms a right angle triangle. I taken x comma y is a point on the locus. What they are saying, the third vertex forms a right angle triangle. The ends of hypotenuse they given. Then the locus of third vertex as right angle triangle. For the right angle triangle they are asking the locus of third vertex. Okay. You observe here, as it is a right angle triangle, what is AB? AB is hypotenuse. We know that in a triangle, the side opposite to 90 degrees is known as hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Okay, right. Now here you see, as this PAB is a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is sum of squares of other two sides. Here AB square is PA square plus PB square. Okay. AB, distance between these 2 points formula, minus 5 whole square is what? Minus 10 whole square, that is 100. 0 minus 0 is 0. So that is, this is 100. Here AB square is there, no need to write square root. Okay, so AB square is 100. PA means distance between the points P and A. Here PA square is there, distance formula only. As square is there here, you no need to write that square root. So PA formula is what? X minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. That is what I written. Plus PB. What is PB? X minus of minus 5, that is x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Distance formula, I am not writing square root here because here square is there, PB square is there. If I write square, these two things will get cancelled. I hope you are understanding. I am just applying distance formula. 100 equal to, you expand this a minus b whole square, you will get x square plus 25 minus 10x. Y minus 0 is y square. Now you expand this, what you will get? X square plus 25 plus 10x. Y minus 0 is nothing but y square. So here if I simplify this, what I am getting here, minus 10x plus 10x will get cancelled. X square plus x square is 2x square. Y square plus y square is 2y square. 25 plus 25 is 50. Here this side 100 is there. Na? What you will do, you take 50 to this side. Then what you will get? 2x square plus 2y square equal to 100 minus 50 is 50. So take 2 common. What you will get? X square plus y square equal to 25. You see x square plus y square equal to 25 is there. Second option is the right option. See, some of the students, they joined recently. You need not to worry about the examinations. It is little difficult to you to understand. If you are following these classes from the beginning onwards, then you can understand these things. Recently this week we got many admissions. So I request all the students, you do not worry about the weekend examination. You please go through this bridge course total 16. This is the 16th video in bridge course. You come one after another. All the videos are there in our channel, YouTube channel, the Masters PU College. Once you are good in all these 15 videos, then you can understand this class. In case if you didn't understand this class, you don't worry, because some problems I am writing directly, because these are the objective questions. Now you must be habited to do the things directly, because while doing JEE examination, for each question we will get around 2 to 3 minutes time only. In 2 to 3 minutes we need to complete all those bits. While doing objective questions, especially when you are doing KSET examination, for one problem 1 minute time only we will get. As these are the objective questions, I did some steps directly. So those who joined recently, in case if you are not understanding what is locus of a point, what is this calculations and all, you need not to worry. And this bridge course is almost over. I'll inform you from Monday onwards what topic I am going to do by discussing with principal sir. Right? So be confident, practice all these things. Those who join newly this week, you please go through one after another from first video onwards. Thank you.